everybody, and welcome back to the shop. And been doing a little more cleanup. Got the roof down yesterday. That was fun. Got it all piled up there. And today I've been working on getting this stack down. So I went around and I took off all the sheet metal, because I didn't want to have to move this base. This base is fairly attached to everything. You see, you got some big thick metal here, and it's angle iron there. So basically I've got it down to just the braces. So I think I'm going to cut these three here, and then these two braces here and here, and the two on the front there and over there. And this thing should just fall like a tree. I'm going to set you up, and I think hopefully won't be no fails on here. I'm going to cut the two front ones first, and then it's probably just going to fold up on itself, but we'll get it done. So I'm going to set you up, hopefully, and get y'all a good picture. That's how you do it. Now the big cleanup begins. Thanks for watching.